So customer types functionality helps you manage your list, right? So first of all, you can see all of your customer types, or you can select leads, and then it'll show you all the types that are assigned to lead, or all the school, and so forth. You can edit customer types. Here you can create a customer type, then it shows up and it's part of the list, and you can also create a different type underneath an existing type, thus creating a relationship between the different customer types. And then when you create a customer, you asked to assign the customer to any specific customer type. So, and then also have a video for you to show you the web portion for that. So here's the web portion, and whatever the customer types you would have, they would show up on the web. And by clicking on the types, you're then filtering it similarly like you would on the device. And also, so basically working with the contacts that are assigned to individual types makes it a little bit easier. That's sort of the concept behind it.